Hello and welcome to the second project of this class. And in this video, we are going to start designing our next project. So the design that we're going to do is something like this. This baby shark, and yeah, it's quite scary, right? But the same steps, but this time we're going to upload an image, a free graphic that we don't have to draw something like this. But again, the steps will be doing it in Canva, then remove the background, the white background using the GIMP, all right, and then the mockup, something like this. Seems pretty cool, right? Yeah. So open up your Canva again, and then let's create a new canvas. Click on use custom dimensions on top right here. Click on that. We'll be using a 3000 by 3000. Click on design. Alright, so this is our canvas. You can zoom in or zoom out, and then let's see our design right here. This is our design. Now everything is just plain simple. There's we just added a like a drop shadow right here just to add some effects. So when we put it on a shirt, it will be something like this. Make it way cooler instead of just plain text, right? So before we start doing it, let me show you the link where I got this free shark. You can go to free pick and then just search for the shark design right here, right? And then once you have it, you will have the a zip file, and then just get this JPEG. All right, later I'm gonna show you. All right, so let's go back right here, and then we will start with the text first. We start with this one. So it's a playlist script with the 59.9 font size. So I'm gonna go back right here, get my text tool, click on add heading right here, and then what's the one that I used? I can actually copy this. Don't worry, it's just a, so I'm gonna put it right here, paste, right, and then get the typeface. It's a playlist right here with the 59.9. So I'm gonna type it right here. Just click enter right there. Then we can position it. Make sure that when you hover your mouse, you will see there's a 4 arrows. So it means that you can move that. Okay, and then it will snap if it's in the center. All right, and then let's go back right here. Now we can't select the text because the image is too big and it covers everything, our canvas. So I'm gonna move it down a little so I can select this word baby. So it's ultra, typeface of ultra, if you want to follow along with the 149.6 font size. I'm gonna copy this. I can actually duplicate this one while still selected. Make a copy, put it down right here, paste, and then let's select the typeface ultra right here with the 149.6 font size. Alright, and then let's bring it up. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Now we have a background color. So first I'm gonna do it one more time right here. I'm gonna copy that, then bring it down somewhere here. I will select this text, copy that, and it's the same size, of course. It's ultra with the 149.6. So I'm gonna select this, paste right here. Okay, now to apply that effect, all we have to do is just duplicate this. So I'm gonna select this one, copy, and it will add another copy of text right here on top of it. So what we can do is basically we can send it to back, but first let me change the color. So click on this pick a color, and then we can select the color, or click on this plus sign, and then you can select the color that you want. I will choose something orange, about this color. It's if you want to follow along, it's the color hex code is FF8700 right there. And then I'm gonna click on arrange, send to back, or the shortcut key is control open square bracket. Click on that right there. Okay, one more time with this word shark. Make a copy, change the color, get this is the last color that you use, so just click on that, go to arrange, click on back right there. And that's the basic effect that I did from this. Okay, now I can select this image. I hope I can select it. Anyway, you can actually play with this text using your keyboard arrows. Let's say still let me select this black text. I can use my keyboard arrows, left or right. The same thing above. If it's the spacing is too much, just select the text and then move using your keyboard arrows. Alright, now let's get our graphics. Say now I can select it because the text it's on top. Alright, now I can put it right here. Now that's the problem. If you are now you can group this actually. Now let's select this, just click and drag, make sure you select the word baby, group it, so when you move it, it's only one group now. Okay, the same thing with this one. Just make sure that you are happy with the spacing of the front and the back text, and then group it, so when you move it, it's only one object. Alright, okay, now let's you can download the image right here, and let me see this one. So I'm gonna open it in my GIMP account, GIMP program. So I'm gonna click and drag right here to open it right here. Now instead of using the layer, we're going to select first the color that we want to remove, or some pixels that we want to remove. So click on fuzzy select tool, enable that, and then make sure you click on the background. Now we can zoom in, let's say 100%. The reason we don't want to use the automatic layer transparency and color to alpha, because you can see there's a white color on the face of the shark, and we don't want that to remove. So we will select the pixels that we want to remove using the fuzzy select tool. So there's a white space on the teeth, so I'm gonna hold my shift key so I can add that to the selection right here, and also about here, right there. Now I selected everything, the white color on our graphics. So I'm gonna go ahead to layer, transparency, color to alpha, right there. And it will remove those selection with the white background. So I'm gonna click on OK, right there. Then click on select none. So let's zoom out, right there. Alright, now it's ready to save us. Go to edit. Oops, not edit. It's should be file. File, export. Where's that? Right here, export. And then just rename your file. And just rename it .png. Click on export. And right there. Now we'll have something like this. Although there's a little white right there, but it's okay. Let's go back to our design, our canvas. Click on uploads. Click on upload your own images. Click on the this one, and right there, this is our shark. So click on that and will automatically be right here. So let's scale it up. Should be something big. And right there, seems fine with me. So I'm gonna select this. Alright, I think this is fine with me. Let's see the reference. Alright, the shark should be on top of all the graphics. Shark text should be on top of everything. So I'm gonna select this shark image, make it bigger, position it nicely. Now I can select, or okay, I can select now the shark text and put it right here. Alright, so that's basically it, guys. Very simple, isn't it? Now it's up to you how you clean up your own design. So I'm gonna, now I can select it. Just hover. I can select the text. So the only way to do that is move your shark image and then select this text, and then use your keyboard arrows up and down. Alright, and then select the image, put it above of the center, put it on the center, and then just take a look on your design. Alright, so that's basically it. That's how I created this no, not that one, this design. Very simple. Now what you can see right here is like there's a texture. It's because of the markup. Alright, I don't think you can do it right here on the GIMP. What the other way around that I can see is that, you know, download this file, go to GIMP, go to GIMP, and then add your texture right there. So that's the only thing that I can see, that how you can create this texture. Seems a pretty cool texture, but it's all only available on this markup. But anyway, that's how I created the baby shark t-shirt design. And then you can, you know, select everything, put it in the center. You can even make it bigger. Oops. You can select on undo right here. Make it one group. I mean, now we can't. There's already multiple groups, so we can't ungroup, and we can't group. But anyway, that's how we design our second project. And I want to see some of your projects, guys. I want to see some t-shirt designs that you created, and also let me know what you think about this class. Alright, so I guess that's all. And in the next video, I'm gonna upload it also in Teespring. Alright, so that's all, and see you in another video.